Guys, what's up? TJ Studios is back. I forgot that I changed my name. Today we're going on a little adventure. We're not bringing these dogs though. I don't want them to die. And hang on, I was gonna enchant some shit. Hold up. Swap. I can't. It's Minecraft. Enchant this. What is this? Efficiency. That's all it does. Sharpness. Okay, I enchant stuff. Let's go. Oh, at nighttime. Well, that wouldn't really matter, I guess. Wait, I need to say goodbye. Goodbye, little one. I will be back shortly if Papa go on little adventure. Goodbye, which one are you? Goodbye, red one. I love you so much. Here. No, he doesn't eat that, I guess. We gotta cook some stuff. I need food. While we're waiting for that, I might as well sleep. Also, I made pink bed. Let's wait. We get lots of food. Wait, I need to get rid of this lapis. We go on little adventure and kill bosses for the Minecraft. How'd you get in here? Wait, I'm gonna create a boat. Your name's gonna be Jeff. Close. I make a boat, and he. Where's my wood? Do not just have wood. My axe is better than my pickaxe. Isn't that just sad? And now I need a 2 sticks. Just create. How'd you get up? Sit. Now I make spoon. Where do I go to make boats at, guys? Okay, I make boat. I learned this from PewDiePie. He'll be in the description down below. I'll give link. Kitchen boat! Holy shit, it actually work. You are gonna be my fisherman. I'm gonna have a bunch of pigmen working for me. I know I'm not copying PewDiePie's idea because I'm using pigmen. Okay. You be fisherman. Stay. I'll create a little breeding area for you guys. Actually. Yeah, you my fisherman. Stay out there. I love you. I love you. Let's go. How's my sword already used? I don't know now. Hang on. Let's go to village, and we shall get 2 villages. Because I really want to try this. I did get this from PewDiePie. I'm giving him full credit. Go. Okay. I'm giving PewDiePie full credit for this idea. Okay, I'm gonna kidnap 2 villagers, and I'm gonna create some kind of like breeding station for them, and then they're gonna. I guess you give them food to breed, or something. I can't remember, but I'm not gonna copy his whole idea where I just fill up a room with a bunch of beds and stuff. And no, I'm not gonna do that. Do I still have my bones? I don't have my bones. That sucks. I could have gotten another dog. But, oh yeah, I forgot. I was gonna get wood. Let's create bolt. Shit. Wait, I swore. I can't. Oh yeah, no, I don't need another fucking crafting table. Oh my god, I can't stop. Ugh. So, I get the boat. Get out of here. And we go kidnap some we kidnapped some villages. Hello. I swear, there's only one villager. I'm gonna be so sad. Okay. Oh yeah, you enjoying your little farm here? Get him, bot. Oh, hang on. Get him, bot. What's happening? Now we go on little adventure. Oh. Ow! Heck, hey, break! My health is low. I just found glitch in game. This makes me so sad. Oh, I need spoon. Why can't I make both? You guys got any birch around here? No? You guys suck then. That's not birch, that's oak. Eat. Okay. Or crafting table. I kidnap people, make breeding station. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it though. Get in, bolt. Why can't I get in? Get out of the front seat. Thank you. Nope, that's not going to work. How am I supposed to even get up here? Okay, hang on. Stay. Can I do this? I think I can, I don't know. Let me try. Oh wait, shit. I swore! I cannot do that. Get them both. Oh, I can't do that. That's just stupid. What do I have to do? Okay. So, I guess we have to build like a little trench. Give me... wait. If I had bucket... Do you guys get any iron? You guys get on my nerves. I go back, you stay in boat. I'll be back for you in a minute. I get the bucket and I get water and it'll be lit. And by the way, this isn't my real voice. I'm just doing voice for drama. I should have thought this through before I even came here. But no, I have small brain, not no big brain. Hello, Mr. Cow. I have friends of yours back at my house. Ooh, big baby. What happened to your friend? Is that your friend? I'll get your friend back, don't worry. I need to get other chickens so that... Pigman? Jeff? 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 Where'd Jeff go? Jeff? 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 Oh, I lost another friend. He was a good friend. His name was Jeff. We'll remember him in our hearts. Now I can just take this. Give me both. Bro, this is actually pretty cool. We need a fisherman out here. Okay, let's give bucket. I like my little house. Also, I got fishing or garden station. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was getting bucket. I'm so stupid. It's bucket in here. I got bucket of lava. Well, you know what? You wanna know what I say about lava? Hang on. This is what I say about the lava. That's what I say about the lava. I turn into obsidian because I'm god of lava. How to kidnap people 101. Like, I come up with names in the videos. Like, I come up with the name of the video while I'm making the video. Because I just don't know what I'm going to call it. Because the video, yeah, like, I can't predict the future. So, like, yeah. I just do random stuff. Like, right now, I didn't even plan this. I just started doing it. I eat calyx. Hey, there's my old crafting table. Does this ground go any higher? Yeah, holy shit. I swore. But like I said, guys, it's not really 5. Is it 5? I don't know. It's 4:38, but I did make this video a little bit early because I don't know if we're going shopping or not. You're still in Bolt. Good mom. Okay, this goes way up here. No, this goes way up here. Oh, thank God. Sorry about your little garden. I don't care about it, though. Jesus, this is so hard. I'm glitching out. Get up there. Yes. I'll take that. Are you still in bucket? Hello? Hello? You still there? You're still there. You're a good man. You stick with me. Because I good man. Those people back there were not your friends. They treat you with they didn't treat you with respect. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you own freaking chamber. I give you own freaking chamber with nice spoon tools. I give you good stuff. I give you food. The stuff that you earn, I give back. Bro, get these freaking stuff out of here. I'm smart. I create clear path. I create clear passageway to the underground world. A smart boy, no? Is that, I don't know what that is down there. I forgot what they're called. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Going on an adventure in our favorite boat. Dun dun dun. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let's go in here. This is our little boat dock. Let's head up here. Let's head up here. Oh, oh, I'm glitching out. I'm glitching out. The glitchy. Give me a freaking bucket of water. Come down. Oh. We drowning, that's all. Oh. Shh, it's okay. How do I get water? You know what? We head into water. Jesus, how am I supposed to do this? Oh, okay, this works. Okay, we head up. Jesus. Gonna take forever. Oh, 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 oh. Not where I want it. God! No! I will murder you. Mainly, my God. You're okay, shit. Is that creeper? Or is that spider? Oh, it's just a flower. Okay, we're up. We're up. Don't you fall. It's so hard doing this. Oh wait, I can just come through here. Don't you fall. I will murder you. Villager, you're gonna, hang on. You're gonna be inside the gate. Wait, can they open up gates? I hope not. Uh-oh. Open. I open sesame. Okay. I hope that they can open gates. If they can, then well, he's gonna stay in boat from now on. He's boat man. Oh, that's That's not where I want it. You are Boatman from now on. I create your own little thing. I can't, hang on. Where shall I create it? Crap, I get wood for Boatman. But I need a lot of wood right now, so. We have new friend, it's Boatman. I need to introduce him to the dogs, to pets. I can't call them dogs, that's just rude. I need to call them pets. I need a lot of wood for Boatman. Ah! The hell? Or, swa. Is that a cuss word? I don't know. Boatman. Get him, Boatman. Oh, he's way back there. He left me. But we cannot have Boatman dying on our watch. He's good friend. He stick with me forever. He's like a father to me. That's from PewDiePie too. Please don't copyright to me. He's like a brother to me. There we go. Okay, that's not enough though. I need tons of it. Because I'm going to create like a little breeding station with glass. I'll show you guys once it's done. Also, I need to figure out how to do time lapses. Because that would be really amazing. I don't know how long this video is going to be though. Because I started around like 4:38. And I'm supposed to be making a video at 5:30 and ending at, or 5 to 5:30. And I started at 4:38 because I didn't know if we were going grocery shopping or not today. So I just started at 4:30. Or I got ready at 4:30 and then, yeah. So I think this is enough. 3 stacks. Well, I made a little mistake. That's alright. Boatman, are you still there? I hope so. Don't worry, my place is lit up. It's lit up very nice. Can other players join my world? I hope not. That would suck. Ah, Boatman. I create you freaking chamber. I need to get glass too. That's alright. Where shall freaking chamber be? I see right here with its own little gate. Now I need to create shovel. Guys, we have a new friend. You have to treat him with respect. Because his old friends didn't treat him with no respect. And we shall be new friends and best friends. And I don't want you guys to freaking that up. Because I love this man. I love him like nothing else. I need sticks. I love him like he loved me. He's like a brother to me. I hope you know that. But I get diamond shovel. I got something stuck in between my teeth. But I create little freaking chamber for you guys. For you and your girlfriend. I don't know where your girlfriend is at, but I'll get her. But I create you freaking chamber. And it's not gonna be real big, but it's gonna be pretty decent. It's gonna have some beds. You'll be fine. Okay, I create you freaking chamber. You will love it. I promise you this. The front's gonna be made out of glass so I can see if they're actually freaking or not. And I hope so. Because I really want them to. I sound like a pervert right now, but you know what? I need them to frick. Okay, now we go 2 up, or 3. Let's go 3 up so that they can jump around. See, my house, in PewDiePie's world, he has like giant mountain next to it, so he can just build stuff into that mountain. I can't, I have to actually build stuff on the surface. Let's go 2 up. Oh, that's not good. I need more. I can't help it, guys. I need to swore once in a while. If I get like jump scared, I have to. I can't hold it back. So it's just the way it is. And I can't, like, I really can't. I can't hold it back. Like I said to both men, it will be. Oh, shh, ouch. See, I almost did. I did good. Get that to here. Move! Man, people these days. Oh, no, don't you fall. I don't have any stairs. That will be trauma. Let's just do the outline. Boink. No, it's just filler and that's what she said. Okay. And I'm only playing this is because PewDiePie's playing it a lot. You know, I've been seeing him play it a lot. So, I just said, you know what? Let's give it a try. Let's have some fun. And I actually am right now. And Boltman is my friend. I actually have a friend to play with. Oh, I'm such a loner. That creeper. Aw, man. That's funny. I like that song. I don't know why. Ow! Okay. I give you nice flooring too. I give you hard floor like cobblestone. So that then you can get hard from the hard floor. Sure, it's not that bad of cussing, but you know, if I have to, I have to. Like, I can't hold it back. I recreate PewDiePie's freaking machine. You can force them together. Can you, bro? You can stick it between two sticky pistons, and just shove them together after they're done eating. Okay, your house is gonna be fricked up because I don't have any more cobblestone. It's gonna be like half wood, half cobblestone. One side gonna be soft, one side, well, they're both gonna be hard. So deal with it. How do you stain glass? That's my question. Do you just grab a bunch of dye and then grab some glass and mix it together? Is that how it works? Well, I need to get some sand first. I'm so stupid. Mining, or digging. I need a lot of glass. And a lot of dye, too. For now, it's just gonna be regular glass. Oh, no, what happened? Oh, okay, just one little glitch. That's okay. I'll take that. Okay, we got 24. I don't know if that's enough. Let's find out. We'll get more later, though. Freaking Chamber 101. But while this is cooking up... Oh, look. Food's done. While that's doing that, I will be getting... or boat woman. Boat woman. That's boat man. We need to get boat woman. Where's boat woman? Wait, what? Oh, I need to get rid of this. For boat woman sees, how is boat man supposed to get girlfriend having his house look like this? We need boat woman now. We get boat woman. It's gonna be such a pain in the butt. I'll tell you guys this. It's gonna be a pain getting her. For a second I thought that was my dog. I'm like, how'd you get out here? That would have sucked. I big man. Yeah, I didn't realize that this was here until now. I don't know what happened. I didn't do it, though. Where's boat woman? I'm running out of food bar. Boat woman? I saw boat. Boat women! Which one you use, boat woman? You! Get in boat! Thank you. Let's go on an adventure. What is happening? Why does this do this to me now? No. We go this way. Move, boat woman. Boat man, you need to come see your boyfriend. Or you guys will get married soon, don't worry. We'll have a whole wedding for you guys. Don't worry. You guys will have a loving marriage forever. And you guys shall frick for me for all your life. Boat man already made deal with me, so... And he said that you're his girlfriend, so I guess you're stuck with me now. Yoink. I need to eat. Hang on, boat woman. I need to eat. You want some? No? Be that way, then. All I'm trying to do is be nice here. I try to give you food. I'm kidnapping you, so... I'm being nice. I'm a good kid. I'm a nice kidnapper. Do you want some food or not? No? Okay, well... Then suck it. I get shovel out so I can dig. Are you like the minister here? I'm gonna need you later. I'm gonna need you to marry these people later. Hang on, I'll kidnap you too. Give me a minute. White means minister, right? Ah, jeez. Ah, surprising how far I can reach with my bucket. Ah, jeez. Gets so annoying after a while. Move over. Jesus. Okay. Had to want to. Oh my God. Okay. Go up, go up, go, 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 go. Yes. No. I break the game. Did I get up? I did get up there. Cool. Cool. Okay, come on. Yes. Oh no. It's auto-saving into my glitch. What is happening? How can I... What's happening? But... Oh my God. After all that progress... Both women, don't go nowhere. I will hurt you. You need to get married to your lawfully wedded husband. Well, boyfriend, but still. Move. Get him, boat! I don't want to trade with you. I hate you. Get on my nerves. She's like, if you hate me so much, then why you kidnap me? I need you to frick your boyfriend. Why does this keep happening? But woman, if I have to, I will kill you. I hope you know this. You just spent about 25 minutes of my time. Okay? This is about another 25 minutes of me trying to figure this crap out. You know what? I don't care. I do it the hard way. Ah! Don't hit her with the shovel, you idiot. I create this thing. It'll lead to it'll lead to the it'll lead to the river. The shovel's not gonna break. It'll probably break once I'm done though, which is okay. But I don't want the villager or both women to die. Okay, I'm not that far. Just head this way. I don't want to make that much of turns because it'll be a pain in the butt trying to make these turns, so that's alright though. So let's just continue on digging this ravine. Both women better be there by the time I get done with this. And both men better still be alive, because I'll be very upset if you're not. Okay, we're going on about half an hour of this, which is actually pretty good. I want to get to both women and both men. That's my goal for this video, right now. My next video, I don't know, I gotta create a goal for that. God, this is taking forever. I thought this diamond shovel would break by now. But no, I guess not. Both women and both men shall be forever together. I just need to get the minister, but I'll get him later. Also, how do you do like a time lapse? I really want to know that. Just how? Cause yeah. I create ravine for you both women. You better be happy about me. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's go. Bunch of dirt everywhere. Both women, I come. I love you. No, I don't love you. You're annoying. Let's go. Hi, big boy. Jesus. See, I told you, making turns would be a pain. It's not really that much of a pain, but it still gets pretty annoying. See, I create a little ravine for you, both women. You're not even paying attention. You're sleeping. Wake up. You're about to die, but you know what? You're gonna get married no matter what. Even if I have to force you to. Even if I have to duct tape you to him. You guys will frick. Shut up. You don't have a saying in this marriage. You will be forced together. In that way and the other way too. So do not fight with me about getting married to the wrong man. I don't care. I don't care if he's your brother. Okay, maybe I do, but you know what? I'm not having mercy for you guys anymore. I don't love you guys. Gotta slow it up. That actually worked. Let's go, both man. Or both woman. Sorry, both woman. Let's go, both woman. I treat you with respect, and you treat me with making babies. Make a baby. Hello, Mr. Cow. I need to get you a new friend, don't I? But man, I have your wife. You better love her. I don't care if she's the wrong one. You will love her. No matter what. Let's just bonka bonka bonk. Hey, I actually fit. Okay, actually, hang on. You guys are gonna come in here. Just back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Beep, 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 beep. Taking forever. So, how's your life? Huh? Shitty? Well, that's your fault. I swore! Come on, both man. You shall be fricker. You guys are frickers. You are my lovers, too. Hang on, I give you guys nice lighting. Okay, now I put glass right here. And yeah. Why am I going that way? Man, getting frickers is hard. Oh no, is glass gone? Sit. I have 24 glass. Let's hope that's enough. I shall put this in there. It's not gonna cook. I don't care. I need to get rid of all this dirt and whatnot. And I shall create a little hole for me to throw food at him. Okay, you guys have fun time. I shall destroy your boats in a minute. This is the hole right here where I'm gonna throw glass or food for you guys. You guys shall freaking love for it. Dang it. Okay. I come. Don't worry. I come for you. I love you. Hello. I don't care. Okay, let's see if I can reach her boat. Probably not. I can just come. I can just come over here. Nope. Ah! Freaking out over here. Calm down. Now I give you guys food. You guys shall love each other forever. I know. Shh, it's okay. Shh. Now frick. Make a baby. Oh look. It's the consumption of making baby. Did I just give them my food for no reason? Oh, look. They make baby. Both women, get in your mode where you make baby. Stupid. People these days. I need to get some more glass. They make baby. They make no baby. Make a baby. I don't care if you're not into him. You will love each other. Do I even have any room? No, I don't. I get sand. They make baby. Get into freaking mode. Make a baby. You, get your groove on. Make a baby. Man, they're so dumb. I'll get you guys more food in a minute. Leave me alone. Yoink. Yoink. Just gonna put a bunch of junk in here. Okay, I clear out inventory. And now it's time for you guys to make a baby. I get you guys more food. Hang on. You guys shall love and cherish each other forever. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to look up. I'm gonna have to look it up. I can't speak today. Where's all the seeds? Where's all the carrots? Ah, found them. Okay, guys. More food. Make a baby. What? You're supposed to go for the food. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to have a little discussion here. You, Boltman, you're the most boltiest of all, right? You, Bolt woman, you're the most women of them all. They make a baby. Yes, get you guys' groove on. Make a baby. I'll leave you guys alone. I love you. Make a baby now. Man. Ah, shite. Is this even the right way? Make baby. Are you guys both male? Did I make a mistake? I don't think so. Make baby. I will wait for you guys in the morning. Until then, make baby. You guys can't get used to each other? Then you're gonna have to get used to each other. I don't care. Make baby. My God, make baby already. I get more glass for you guys so you guys can cover up. Oh wait, do they need a bed? I hope not, cause I don't know how much wool I got. You guys are slow, right? Ugh. I think that they are actually mentally insane. Do they even know how to make baby? I have bed right here. I can die if you want. But you know what? I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. I give you guys plain white bed. This is gonna be like prison style. Make baby. Make a baby. Hang on, I'll get you guys one more bed. Make a baby though. Don't I have shears for my wool, for my sheep? Shears. Shears? Flint and steel. I don't want flint and steel. What do you take me for? Some kind of criminal? No, I use fire starter. Where's my shears? Hello? Shears? Shears? Nope. Shears? No. Shears? No. Where's my shears? Shears? No. Shears? I'll take this dye for you guys. Hang on. Wait, do I have wood on here? I do. Cool. I can make bed. I just need to get some wood. Are they too slow to make a baby? Don't they know how baby making works? I hope so. The hell? I don't know what the heck that's for. Okay, guys. I want to dye the bed. I don't want to sleep in it. Guys, I make a baby or I make a bed for you. You will love and cherish each other forever. Okay? I promise you guys this. You will love and cherish each other forever. You guys shall make babies for me forever so I can have actually people working for me. Like working the freaking fish yard. Or fishing area. Now make a baby. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but I'll figure it out though. You guys are annoying. So I guess this is the end for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Also, don't forget to like the video, comment down below about what you thought, give me some ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.